You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh.
Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. I am so excited to be sharing my first all-day cleaning video with you in 2021. I focus mainly on the kitchen area, putting away dinner and tidying up the table, as well as sweeping and mopping everything. So if you guys are new here, my name is Melissa. My channel is Lofgrenlife. I make cleaning videos and decorating and all things homemaking every single week, and I would love for you guys to subscribe. So give this video a like if you like it, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back to my channel, and thank you for watching this video and supporting me. I cannot thank you guys enough. So let me quit talking, because I know you guys all came here today to get your cleaning motivation. So grab your coffee and let's get started. So I'm starting here in the kitchen. First, I'm going to put away all of the dishes here in the dishwasher, and then I am going to load the dishes that's in the sink into the dishwasher.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's
So as I'm putting the dinner away, I want to come in here really quickly and ask you guys, what is your favorite part of a cleaning video? Like, I know it's the motivation, but for me, I want to say it's the dishes and vacuuming, because I think once my dishes are clean and I can see my sink go from a dirty sink to a clean, empty sink. I don't know about you guys, but when my sink is empty and the kitchen is clean, I just feel like I have my life together. And I love the vacuuming because you can see dull carpet go to a really pretty vacuum lines, which is so satisfying. And although my house, I don't have a lot of carpet in my house, but the rugs and the chairs just give me that satisfaction.
You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just
So moving on here, as I'm still putting this dinner away from last night, I'm going to wash these few pots and pans up, and then we're going to move on to cleaning off the table.
true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to cleaning the stove with this Method Heavy Duty Degreaser, and let me tell you guys, this stuff is golden. If you have not tried it, I highly recommend that you guys go try it. It cuts any grease on the backsplash as well as the stove. It is actually one of the best cleaners for the stove.
Join in. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so now that I wiped all the counters down, I'm moving on to wiping the front of all the cabinets. Also, you know, I didn't realize how disgusting down the bottom of our cabinets are where you kick your feet. I had so many scuff marks down there and food splatter and everything, and y'all, the amount of crumbs was just crazy. So it's super satisfying and looks so much better now.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
Okay, you guys, so now I'm moving over to the kitchen table. I'm just gonna clean it off really quick here. It's not that bad today, so I'm just gonna use this multi-purpose method cleaner in the wildflower scent. It smells so amazing. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up here, and I might have mentioned this before, but I wanna change this table out to a smaller one. I kind of feel like this table takes up so much room. So I'm starting to look for another table, but I just don't know if I should get a round table or a square table. So you guys tell me what you think below. Do you think that I should get another square table like what's sitting here now, or a smaller round table? But I definitely want to keep the blue chairs because I like that pop of color in here in the kitchen to break up the gray and white. So maybe this upcoming weekend, Donnie and I can start looking for something a little bit smaller, but just want to get some of your ideas below.
I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good.
Just want to show you guys these chairs up close. I know I'm always vacuuming them off, but it's kind of like the same as wiping them. When they do get a spot on there, like you can see these little white spots here, I just get a regular microfiber cloth and just wet it, and then it easily just wipes off.
Good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that.
Okay, so it's very rare that you see me sweep my floors on my channel. I'm a diehard Dyson lover, but sometimes your floors just need a really good sweep with a good old-fashioned broom to get those spots that the Dyson just don't reach. So when I was cleaning the cook plates in the kitchen earlier, I was like, yes, I need to pull out my broom, and that is exactly what I'm doing here. And to get those spots that, like I said, my Dyson just don't always get. And look at all this stuff.
I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
that is going to be it for today's video. I'm just going to show you all the finished clean looks from everywhere that I touched today. I hope that you enjoyed it and you got a ton of cleaning motivation. And if you did, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next few days. Bye.